Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on a Mac laptop. To record screen on MacBooks, you need to press on 3 buttons at once, Command, Shift and 5. Now it'll bring this pop-up window, and in order to record screen, select either this or this option. Before I show you how to record it, first I'm gonna explain these options. So this is the entire screen, so it'll record everything. This is the selected portion, and you can actually drag the corners, the edges, to adjust the selected portion. Just like that. You can also move this portion, okay. You can also go to the options, and in the options you have where to save the file to. So you have the quick options like desktop, documents, mail, messages, QuickTime Player, but you can also click on other location, then you'll be able to select the location here. I'm gonna cancel that for now and leave it on the desktop. Then you have the timer, so it will count down from, it will not count down, it will count down from 5 or count down from 10 seconds. And you can also set the microphone to none, your MacBook's microphone, your iPhone's microphone as well, or if you have an external microphone plugged in or headphones, then you can also select them here. Then you can also show floating thumbnail, remember last selection, and show mouse clicks on the recording. Then I'm gonna select the entire screen and click on record. And now I have started recording. It also records my voice because I've chosen it to do it. I can do stuff, I can click on things, I can open windows, etc. Then to pause the recording, find this stop button at the top. Click on that. Then it will show you for a few seconds the recording here. So you can click on that to, for example, delete it. But after that, the recording will vanish from here and it'll be shown in the location you've chosen it to save. So I have it on desktop, so I'm just gonna select the recording from desktop. Let's double click on it and play it. Let's check how many, okay. And now I have started recording. It also records my voice. You can see it works. It can also open windows, record my clicks and the windows, everything that was on the screen. And this is all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.